Abusia evangelist mama part eye mame Patricia Odro Kranten ade nsem bi abetudu na kam ya say afi empinu ene edunu na yesi mu abefo ntentan fide kese no yenya entene nkapapa biada na afi de oba bepuru ne minim ade nsem bi abetu edwa abusia ensem esisi mama akwaba emfamra na bema TV aha no de bia ka tro se won seka e channel we odaruma Bomode subscribe to YouTube channel Nana Bema TV. Like na fi sign share na foforo mo ewo echichi ene bencheye nso no enye bi enhwe no mo ho de ekoso ewo abefo ententan fidie kese no eso koda sore ye evangelist mama part abba bontina na nsemu ye behwe na eya wododi nko ana sisi ano mami wodi nipa ewo abefo ententan fidie no so be hu so woni ne kunu foforo a wonya ni omo dido ewo abefo ententan fidie no so nanso no enne no enya odo na wodi e wontentan no so na mum wode afutu na ede ebre openi ono nso epese ye ongina na ye nto no so aba eye na Kwame bedi akon ya dodo na da efre no freedom cheddar ebi nso efre no Caesar ene ade a papa ni din edoso papa eyi nanim e kire se ye nto no so aba the new force ono na opie monten so na billboard esi ho a washya mask na afi wuri eyinim na evangelist mama part o kire so onu okọ abefo ntentan fide kese no so onu na woye hima ya wodi mu tentemai pa e won tentan ne so anu ntino wo kan samba kumenu bi ede a kire yewura chada na ne nsam ni na ene se sade papa no wa start grant interviews abonten no emwa no esan se wo pese wo ye mampeni omai mu a susu kasa nemum ma unyuma obeye no endoso enche wakasa ena edi hobium eni se wokọ interviews bebre nye bebiada ena I was say wokọ interviews osan eka eto aso kire mu se papa no enye ono ena wo se ne nsem yo ha obeyi ano na ono wache wa abefo ntentan fide kese no so onim se de Ghana fo etie eno ntino ode ne ntoma ebebo ne dia no papa yi emram behunu na wo man followers wa abefo ntentan fide kese no so ase obi ebe kasa editia na followers no ebe fight edi amana metres on beku edi ti omo enu ntino oba be kan nsem wi edi akire no na wosan eka bi ehon ho hia wo kire na billboard na wo yeye ewo monten so no emfaso eni so na mum anka onfa invest o social media emrante no so na omo ankasa enye campaign emfa ema no abusua mekasa mempese be tintin yankonkoti evangelist mama part emfa emra ebra otu yura chada efo
Osuafo, Yenia Bemabi want to be a president. I want to pass a message to him. And Montage Yenia Bema Freezer. Didn't say or the Freezer Caesar Jacob Freedom. Yenia Bema na wa ye ni billboard akase no or de ye Max face Max ye no. As I said, the other one pictures abano. Bra, I have seen you are trying to be a president in future. And I have been watching your interviews, some of your interviews, and how you respond to some of questions, and how you respond to some of the allegations that the people put on you. And I'm here to advise you. I've been monitoring you, and what I've seen about you is that you don't have the media backup. Yes, you don't have the media backup, because some of the questions that they even put on you, ask you, bro. Some share interviews are your radio station and TV stations, some of them will not help you for you to achieve your presidential thing that you want. You need the social media gangs, because social media supports me a very strong one. Before you went to the radio station, you would tell them, ask me this, ask me that. This question, don't ask me. Because one of your interview, I was watching you and you went to interview and they were asking you, where did you get your money from? That is a stupidity question. To me, it's a stupidity question. Because where the person got his or her money from does not have anything to do about what he is coming to do to help Ghanaians. Some questions are some of the media people who interview some of the questions, but I've seen say you don't have the media support. Your team is weak. Your team no awode president. If you are very serious and you mean business to be a president, Mr. Caesar Freedom, your team no awode starting interview is very weak, and it is not going to help you because Ghana for asamba kutoya jimwa eno ne yefa. So send a baby awabo bread druno. For you to go and sit on the radio for them to ask you any negativity question. When to me a year new year and no better Ghana phobia jimo. So anything that you come out to tell the Ghanaians, nobody will listen to you. And petting papa, they will guide you how to talk. What was say nyamia shraw when you ding what to do but when it comes to the politics, how to talk to gain somebody's mind, my bro. Some of your interviews you are doing and how you are talking, it can never win some people's mind. So I am here to advise you, say, for you to pay more money to the radio stations and the TV station for them to interview you, some people are there say they will interview to disgrace you, to bring you down. So if you mean business to be a president, then you have to look back to the social media, especially the Facebook. You have to get some of the gurus. We have so many bloggers on the media. We have so many very intelligent bloggers on the media. You have to get some of them. So if any negativity thing come to your line, they will stand and talk for you. And yes, something now bet me you in one way. Because now say me here, but they were talking about tax and whatever, and how you were responding to the tax, and taxum. And if I am part of your group, or if I'm a you are, I will not respond to it. What must I say? And we have some near maybe your bloggers have to respond for you. You need the team. You need bloggers. You need the team. We need people to guide you. Because I've grown a what yes say you want to be a president, and young I've grown a uba. So as for me, I am a businesswoman here, and I am telling you, if you need the media support and the social media support, we have the team with the media politics. But me the obe whom watching best now me business there. You need people like us to talk for you. What was here? Now you won't crawl for who fee. You won't crawl for they will do the dirty work for you. Abraham Pieba so by your president. We saw some people coming out to insult you. Ebumu Pieba Bonte, they call you different names. But Senka social media gurus, social media banter, social media backers if one wa. Kiabe crash one time. Kiabe crash one time. They said they're gonna have everything is about social media. It's Mr. Caesar Jacob. Bro, I am here to advise you. Pemechira coin. Pemechira coin. Mayem pemechira coin for me to link you to the media, the social media. Where business weno. And your friend ya baba ya sebia. Obi ya blogger ya neno wasem. Obi ya blogger ya neno wantokwa debi. Yenimu bloggers omo ya strikers. What was here? Yenimu bloggers omo ya strikers. Me ye do na me no wantokwa kwa na me nimsa wo. Oh ya striker to say me ya striker no a. What I say? We will connect you. And the president now person who didn't fin wa bano. Sa wo cast now the atwa so ne. Wo fie no niam mane. Ya kind of saying o videos no a wo de chere no. And no to be more my president to media phone gum to social media phone gum and your radio be an SL Casaso and your TV be an SL Casaso. And when you are going to the interview, don't allow them to ask you any negativity question. You have to underline your questions that you want them to ask you. And I also start any bloggers in be interviews. Braggers now on your interviews, you know, they don't defend. They don't defend. They don't talk. They don't fight. They don't defend. What am I say? You need the bloggers which they can defend you, they can fight for you, they can promote you. Baby, when you went to Kumasi to do something, they will go and take the video. No mind your video, no who did they for people to know. So so don't sit there. I say Mama Pat is talking sense, pa. I'm telling him the strategic he can let people to know the good thing of him. Sa be board na kese na wa yesisi krom abodi ni nyina fa so obi ani so be board will not talk enye obi ani epiempo no akohu be board enye obi ani ready no akohu be board obu okro hu wo be board no so a he or she doesn't know anything about the be board by scanner odi ye be board no what was say so hie gu social media no so, and I am the queen of the social media. She shemechira kwan na me pia bloggers ni bi man no munye who dede send asem bi ba wo ma bonti me yi wano, they will talk for you. What must say be board na kase na waye yesi wa bodin bebre no be board will not help you for people to know you. If you want people to know you, it's all about the social and the media. Send you do be too good anymore as one day riase nyina hu no sana se do be to ho na fe omo kire niema wo ya, people will know you. And people will know you say, you have stand as a president, obi koduru wa ode nsa betimu so, because okrofo bebre ni mu. Enti ton wo ho na yen show rules and regulations. Enye radio bia na esa okoso, and enye blogger bia na esa udi na chi. Because obi oba interview keke. O interview we od we jaho. Asem bi ba won me defend da. But we have the guru bloggers on the media. Anything bad about you, they will defend you. When you bet no be president. What must say? I will not come and I will not counter you. I will not counter you because say I may babe maybe na that you PS up so I president. I will be happy. So I want to help you with my intelligence. What must say? You may know book, you may see English. By me, I know the English so much, but I have the brain. And I am a business woman. At my say, so I'm calling you the Caesar Jacob Freedom. Say she shall for us to help you in some route. You need the media support, especially the social media support. You need bloggers. Those who be fee amount. You have the money, you have the cash. Let the cash talk for you. Let your money talk for you. Don't allow any illiterate person, bias or jojo, stupid interviews, stupid questions. What must say, my brother? Me did Agradaa woman power social media guru. I am the queen mother of the social and the media. What's a man cash shemechira kwang?
I was young for essay, say what time we could do na or in America. I think say Mama Pat and Pa and Nadia or cancer because all cast up in the comment section or say OBHS Mama Pat is talking sense. She's making sense in Nadia. I think say Nadia Mamano. Waka say ye and then casa na no tin papa. Afutu no say we did say you're a cheddar or far a bebuano. Ye baby and I was so granting interviews. And I'm a part, a kitty you could tell the cousin what I said. Ghana for anoya and until and send you her what ya ma nebu emfu na papa no toda nebufu ewo live program so. That was sign a cat to us say your questions be her and nisa we no. Because nonsense questions and no and mama part yes say obi bisa say him fan we and sika every year mama part chere say me hwe bibia we ya sika no edi every year na ne kasa inada say me kan ye no ekokowi na mama part chere say social media no so no womra na wombehunu na womma no titafo mbetai ne chiye papa na bibia ai kama kama sanse penifo say so wodi wuti ekoto anafo mpa so oda woroma moni wada onsuro emframa bone eno nti onfaniti emetwere ono evangelist mama Pat ebusia ododo akunwa no ya na bakofo entena so enche me sori so na mako se de be ya yesan akochi ntintan so deɛ beto fo mi ane de bepa abesomo medin ade odumanko banana Kofi from Asante Gudi Macro.